Welcome back.
I'm Mr. Rush, and this is Johnny Cash. We got a 5x10 trailer here. Tell me what we're going to do with this trailer, John.
We're going to show you a bit of a quick assembly. This is the finishing touches that really separate Rush trailers from all the other trailers. It's the little things that make the big impacts. What we're going to do is we're going to run through a lot of the stone guards. You're going to see the stone guards go on our fenders. Stone guards will go up on the front of the trailer as well as an additional protection. You're going to get a guard on the step as well, all in nice aluminum checker plate. So we're going to run through the sub-assembly for you, and you're going to be able to see what those finishing touches really do. And again, the difference that a Rush trailer makes.
Okay, let's do it on time lapse. That way it's quicker. Otherwise, we'll be here all day.
Great call.
It's Friday afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay, John, looks like we finished off the trailer.
Here we've got a complete trailer.
Perfect.
As you can see, a lot of the little things that you saw in the time lapse, we consider them the finishing touches. It's what really distinguishes this trailer from every other trailer on the road. As you can see, great stickers, great stone guards, siliconed all around. We add the safety yellow for your tar posts so that you can see them in the dark.
What size is this? 5x10?
5x10.
Toolbox, front stone guards, and this new tough rack. Oh, what's that, John? Oh, the final touch.
That's your coupler pin.
Oh, it comes with it.
Comes with it.
1,000-pound jack, ran on a wheel. Show them how easy it is to move this trailer. Give it a spin. One hand.
One hand.
Beautiful. I like that.
Well balanced, easy to move. Clients love it.
Spare tire. This is the passenger side. Okay, let's give it a little spin. This has got the toolbox. Come on, nice. Beautiful trailer. 5x10. Inside, 2x10. 2x10 boards, 6 of them. And they're all individually bolted in. You ever had to remove them or work on the trailer? That's perfect. Now here's a benefit of our trailer here. We actually have a frame. If you look at the bottom, John, you see here the bottom? Between here and the wall, we got 2 inches. The wood isn't up against the side panel. It's got an actual main frame. A lot of trailers don't have that. That's a great space. Great spot.
Makes for a much stronger trailer.
Yeah, yeah. And also allows you to put on a side step on the bottom. There are tar pokes all around. Okay, I think that's it.
Beautiful
Let me
thing.
just pan out here, John. You want to jump out? And there's our Canadian made trailer.